What up, free bosses? In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that we're using to help our Amazon seller clients. Now, you can use this strategy for pretty much any kind of e-commerce brand or business where you're trying to sell a physical product online. But with these two brands, they're both Amazon sellers. So I'm going to show you the Facebook ads funnel of how we are targeting cold traffic, introducing the product in a soft selling way, an easygoing way, talking about the benefits of the product, driving them to a landing page, and then retargeting them and driving them directly to the Amazon product page. So let's jump into it. So first we have this brand. Now this company makes a silicone mold where basically you have this ice mold and you can use the big old ice mold inside your cocktail drinks like whiskey and things like that. So for cold targeting, we're using a conversions campaign, and we are targeting people that are 40 plus, interested in Amazon, married, their parent, and we're driving them to the actual product page. Now let me just show you real quick what we are seeing for conversions. You see how I have my custom columns set up for conversions? We are getting people on the landing page for 5 cents, which is really good. This is one of the best that I've seen with getting people onto a landing page. So we're using the conversions campaign. The conversion objective that we're optimizing for is view content, and the landing page is just a view. It has the view content event code on it. So we're using that event code, and again, like I said, people 40 plus, they're either engaged or married. They must also be a parent. They must also be interested in Amazon or Amazon.com. They must also be in this engaged shoppers purchase behavior group. And they must also be a foodie or into craft beer, spirits, wine, fine dining, things like that. Then we're excluding out the people that are in the income bracket of 40 to 50,000 and 50,000 to 75,000. Our placements are just in the Facebook feeds, and we're targeting mobile and desktop. And then our conversion, optimization, and delivery, because it is just a, they click on the Facebook ad and then instantly they land on the page, and that is fulfilling the conversion objective of getting view content. The time frame, the conversion window is 1 day clicker view, because again, we just want them to, like, the conversion should happen within 1 day, right? They're going to see the ad, they're going to click on it, and they're going to land on the actual landing page. So that is what we got going on for targeting. The cold traffic is this conversion campaign, as well as we're doing the cold traffic in a video views campaign, and we're targeting about the same audience. Now the audience size is around 2.2 million, so it's a pretty large audience size, and we're only spending about $10 a day. I think the other one was like $15 a day, so pretty low spends for how large our audience size is. Now with this one, the video views campaign, the goal is to really just get video views. So it's not so much to get people to actually click on the landing page, because we want them to just watch the video, and then we're going to retarget them based on them watching the video. So it is nice to see these are the conversions for people landing on the actual page, and it is nice to see that we're getting people to click through from the video ad and land on the actual page for about $1.42. So that's pretty good. But really, in the video views campaign objective, you want to be looking at the video engagement columns. And what's important here that I look at is video percentage watched, and then these stats right here. So how many people watched the video at 25%, 50%, 75%. So 3,600 people watched the video at 25%. Now, one thing to also know is how long is the video? How many seconds is that? Because 25% of a 10-minute long video could be 2.5 minutes, where a minute long video, that's like 25 seconds. So that's a big difference. So I'll show you the ad now. So this is the actual ad we're running. And as you can see, the video is about a minute 48 seconds. So 25% of that is roughly 30 seconds, I want to say. 30 seconds? I don't know. My math is probably wrong. But roughly 30 seconds. Let's see, 30, 60, yeah. So I think that's about right. 20 to 30 seconds, basically. So we're seeing that 3,600 people have watched at least 20 to 30 seconds, which is actually pretty good these days with people's low attention spans. That's pretty good to get over 3,000 people watching for that much time. So this is the ad. As you can see, the copy in the ad, it does not contain the actual link to the landing page. We're really just trying to make it look very content-ish. Just like a normal content video that would appear, that's not an ad, that is just like from a fan page, just appearing and really just meant to grab their attention and get them intrigued into this video and into the product. So we're just saying, tired of watered down drinks? Upgrade your adult beverage with these brilliant booze hacks. So in the video, we're talking about these brilliant booze hacks, which is...
And watered it down.
Let me mute that. We have a voiceover playing as well.
With a watered down version after a few short minutes is a bummer.
So we're talking about these large ice cubes and how you can put them inside your drinks and the different things you can do with these ice cubes, these ice spheres as well. So we're talking about that. And then if they want to read more, they can read the full blog here. When they click on that, this is what the full blog landing page looks like. So again, this is what they land on when they fire that view content pixel. They're going to land on a page, this page, and then this page is going to talk more about the product, and then this page has all these hyperlinks right here, which links to the actual Amazon page. So we got these buttons. You can click on this button, which then links over to Amazon, and they can buy it for $8.97. So if they watched a certain percentage of the video, if they clicked on the ad, if they visited the landing page, then they're going to be retargeted with our traffic campaign and our video views campaign. So in the video views campaign, we have an ad set targeting just the site visitors, and then we have an ad set targeting the entire 90-day ecosystem, which includes the people that visited the site, the people that engaged with the page, meaning that they clicked on the actual ad, and then the people that watched at least 10 seconds of the video. So we are then retargeting them with an ad, and we are, again, this is for video views and for traffic. So we're retargeting them and driving them to, driving them directly to the Amazon product page. So this ad is a little bit different. We're still using the video, but we changed the copy saying, click shop now to order your silicone ice molds on Amazon today for only $8.97. So we're really being more pitchy, more offer driven, really just trying to get them to actually convert into a sale. Now, unfortunately, when you're driving traffic to Amazon, you can't really track your conversions that well. You can't tell if somebody actually clicked on this ad and then actually made that purchase on Amazon. So that's why we're kind of just using the traffic and the video views objective. If we could track conversions of actually people that purchased, then I probably would be using the conversions objective, and then the conversion optimization event, instead of it being view content, it would be purchase, right? But we can't do that, so we're blindly just sending them over to Amazon, retargeting them with these three ad sets right here, and trying to actually get them to complete that purchase on Amazon. So that is pretty much it for this funnel. Again, it's just cold traffic with the video views and the conversion objective, trying to get them to watch the video, click on the ad, visit the landing page, then we're retargeting them, and with that retargeting ad, driving them to the actual product page. Now, another thing that you could do is retarget them and drive them to another piece of content. So you retarget them with content piece B, for example, and maybe that talks about the same product but in a different way, with a different video, with a different blog, things like that. And you're further warming them up. The more touch points you have with them, the more content they're consuming from you, the more trust and credibility is being built there, and they're becoming more familiar with your brand, thus increasing the likelihood of them actually purchasing when you do retarget them and drive them to the actual product page. So that is this Facebook ads funnel that we have going on. Now in this ad account, it's a very similar Facebook ads funnel using a landing page and things like that. So this product, I'll show you right here, is
increase your income.
Again, it's got
Here are 4 ways that good
a voiceover. So this product helps you with your posture. It's like a back brace thing that you put on, and it will straighten up your back. And in this piece of content, we talk about how posture affects your income, because we want to really show them that posture is important, and it really could increase their income if they have better posture, and it could also lead to a more positive mindset. And just talking about how posture in general relates to your mindset, to your attitude, to your outlook on life, how people perceive you, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, this is the ad. Again, just very content-ish, just asking them a question. Do you think posture could affect your income? So this type of question is going to trigger kind of like their keywords are posture and income. So if they think about their posture a good amount and they are focused on their income a good amount, then that's going to grab their attention right there. Then we have an emoji because that kind of breaks up the text nicely. And then we tell them to watch the video and tell us what you think. And then click below to read the full blog. So again, it's just content-ish. We're just kind of saying, hey, read this blog, watch the video. We're not telling them, hey, buy this product. We're just saying, watch the video, consume the content, basically. So after they watch this video, then they're going to land on this landing page right here, which has the full blog about 4 ways that posture affects your income. And then this page, actually, we're getting them to opt in to a lead magnet, a little PDF download that we have where they learn more about posture, things like that. But in the ad account area, we are actually retargeting everybody that watched, clicked, or visited the landing page. So with this traffic campaign, we're retargeting the ecosystem. So now we're doing a 60-day ecosystem of people that engaged with the page, watched 10 seconds, or visited the website. And we are driving them directly to the Amazon page. And remember how I said that we can't track Amazon purchases as well as we'd like to? So our solution to that is to use a promo code. So in this ad right here, our retargeting ad driving them to Amazon, we are using a promo code, save 20% today only when you buy on Amazon using promo code 20OFFXO. So that is one way that we can kind of track conversions from these ads. It's not 100% exact because many people may forget the promo code, or they may not even use it, and they may decide not to use it. They may be at the checkout point and they're like, crap, what was that promo code again? Crap, I can't find it in Facebook. I don't know it, but I'm just going to buy it anyway. So anyway, that's one way you can mess around with it. How we did the copy on this one is we're talking about the promo code. We're telling them to watch the video because this is a customer review video of somebody talking about the product.
I like to wear it about 30 minutes or so, and then it really helps to remind me to keep my shoulders back.
Anyway, so he's talking about the product. Then we have a customer review that we took from Amazon because they have a lot of reviews on their Amazon page. So we have the customer review here, and then we're saying verified purchase, and again, it's linking directly to the Amazon product page to actually get them to purchase. So that's a video, and then we're also testing with images. So we have this carousel ad here, and it is showing different, if it'll load, but it looks like it's not loading. So we just have different images here of the product and people wearing the product. And right now it looks like Facebook is more, I just launched this yesterday, so it looks like more of the budget is going towards the video because Facebook tends to do that. They tend to just pick one of the ads that they want to put most of the budget to. They go all in, so sometimes you have to actually manually turn off an ad to make the budget actually go to the other ad. But that is what we're doing. Again, we're targeting cold traffic with the conversion campaign, getting them to land on the landing page. The conversion objective that we're using is view content. Once they land on the landing page, that view content event code fires, and that data is sent back to Facebook right here. Website content views. And then once they go through either watching the video, clicking, or visiting the landing page, then we retarget them and drive them to the Amazon product page. So that is a little funnel that you can use to warm people up first, instead of just targeting cold traffic and telling them about your offer immediately, trying to sell them on the product, trying to pitch them immediately. You can first drive them to a piece of content, get them warmed up a little bit, get them familiar with your brand, kind of sell them on the benefits. You're not being salesy, but you're like kind of telling them about the benefits of the product and how it could help them. and then you're retargeting them down the line and telling them about the offer, giving them a promo code discount, being a little bit more pitchy and salesy on your follow-up. So I hope you learned a little strategy in this video, and I will see you in the next one.